In front of me is OPPO Find X8, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to click on accessibility and convenience. Then you need to scroll again to click on simple mode over here. Choose enter simple mode and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, easy mode is on. To go back to the standard one, go into devices settings, click on simple mode again and choose exit. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!